Welcome to Nilanadi channel. Let's see how blockchain is used in logistics and their use cases. Blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize the logistics industry by improving operational efficiency, generating value through new business models, and facilitating greater efficiency and new business models including faster and leaner global trade logistics, superior transparency and traceability in the supply chain, and increased automation of commercial processes in logistics. Blockchain can be used in logistics for supply chain transparency, traceability, and provenance verification, and can help logistics companies redesign delivery processes, increase production levels, and improve supply chain efficiency by enabling faster and more cost-effective delivery. Some of the use cases of blockchain in the supply chain include inventory tracking, improving freight and shipping, invoicing and payments, authenticity verification, and monitoring performance for efficiency. Blockchain technology can also be used to coordinate communication systems of the supply chain with a unified platform on the basis of its abilities for information sharing and processing, and to verify, record, and coordinate transactions autonomously without third parties. What are some examples of blockchain being used in inventory tracking? Blockchain technology can be used in inventory tracking to provide a secure and transparent ledger that tracks the movement and status of inventory items across the supply chain. This can help eliminate manual data entry errors and reduce the need for manual inventory tracking, providing real-time visibility into stock levels and enabling manufacturers to manage perishable goods and ensure timely replenishment to meet demand. Blockchain technology can also foster streamlined inventory control and ensure timely replenishment by identifying issues instantly and making appropriate adjustments accordingly. How does blockchain prevent counterfeiting in inventory tracking? Blockchain technology can prevent counterfeiting in inventory tracking by providing a secure and transparent ledger that tracks the movement and status of inventory items across the supply chain. Blockchain helps tackle counterfeiting by identifying a product's proof of origin, or provenance, and combining this with blockchain's end-to-end tracking mechanism. Companies can ensure quality checks at every level, from production to delivery. Blockchain technology can address issues in the pharmaceutical supply chain by providing timely data and increasing shared data's authenticity, integrity, and invariability, reducing the willingness for counterfeit and less accurate data. Smart tags, unique cryptographic identifiers, can be used to track and confirm the provenance and location of each item, including security labels with unique QR codes, RFID, and digital tags that contain an individualized software component. Blockchain technology can also provide a digital footprint for the entire supply chain, streamlining the flow of money and services in the supply chain with automation, eliminating the possibility of fraud. What are the benefits of using blockchain in logistics? Blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize logistics by providing a secure and efficient way of managing supply chain operations. By providing end-to-end visibility, blockchain can eliminate fraud, improve the quality and safety of products, streamline verification processes, reduce paperwork, and enable better traceability. The benefits of using blockchain in logistics include enhanced transparency, improved efficiency, reduced costs, increased security, and better coordination among stakeholders. What are the challenges of implementing blockchain in logistics? Blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize logistics by providing a secure and efficient way of managing supply chain operations. However, implementing blockchain in logistics also comes with several challenges that need to be addressed. Here are some of the challenges of implementing blockchain in logistics. Determining the extent to which you'll use blockchain technology. Moving an entire supply chain platform to a blockchain requires a lot of resources. Therefore, you can start with a single blockchain-powered feature, such as delivery tracking, to improve the transparency of logistics processes without causing system overload. After you evaluate the real-world efficiency of this feature, you can continue integrating blockchain features into your supply chain one at a time. Ensuring data quality. Supply chains connect multiple parties, including manufacturers, suppliers, retailers, and end customers. Therefore, they rely on data quality. Blockchain technology can help ensure data quality by providing a secure and tamper-proof way of storing and sharing data. However, ensuring data quality requires a collaborative effort among all parties involved in the supply chain. Implementation costs. Adopting blockchain requires significant investment in infrastructure and training, which can be a barrier for many companies. Standards and regulations. Lack of clear standards and regulations can hinder interoperability between different systems and players in the supply chain. Scalability. One of the biggest challenges of implementing blockchain technology is scalability. Since each block in the chain contains a set number of transactions, the size of the chain can quickly become unwieldy as the number of transactions increases. This can result in slower transaction times and increased costs. Interoperability. There are currently multiple blockchain platforms available, each with their own unique features and capabilities. This can create challenges when it comes to interoperability, making it difficult for different blockchains to communicate with each other. Resistance to change. The successful adoption of blockchain requires a cultural shift towards collaboration and decentralization. Overcoming resistance to change and coordinating the efforts of multiple stakeholders with different interests and preferences are additional obstacles to be addressed. Low level of digitalization. The maritime sector, for example, has a low level of digitalization, which can hinder the implementation of blockchain technology. What are some successful case studies of blockchain implementation in logistics? There are several successful case studies of blockchain implementation in logistics. Here are some examples. The Home Depot. The Home Depot is using IBM blockchain to expedite the reconciliation process by allowing their receiver team and vendors to access shared near real-time data of packages and shipments across its supply chain. Louis Dreyfus Company. The company successfully completed its pilot program and has since gone on to implement blockchain for traceability purposes. Traceable and WWF. The partnership of Traceable and WWF is organized to prevent illegal fishing. Their system is designed to gather data about the harvests like location, catch logs, crew detail, etc., to minimize the sale of illegal or unethical fishing. They use QR codes to track the fish from the ocean to the consumer's plate. Brilliant Earth. Ensuring that diamonds are ethically sourced is no easy matter. It's exceedingly difficult to trace them from mining and the many handoffs along their supply chain. Brilliant Earth uses blockchain technology to track the journey of diamonds from the mine to the consumer. Atea. Atea is partnering with the Norwegian Seafood Association, Nova Sea, Biomar, and IBM to set the industry standard for seafood products with blockchain. This blockchain network supports improved transparency, sustainability, and food integrity for the seafood industry. Group Renault, Samolds, Foracia, and Nauf. They are coming together to develop and deploy the XCEED, Extended Compliance End-to-End Distributed, blockchain platform to certify the compliance of all vehicle components, from design to production. Renault has developed an industry-wide blockchain-based platform to certify the compliance of vehicle components. What are some specific use cases of blockchain in logistics? Blockchain technology has several use cases in logistics, and it is being implemented in various ways. Here are some specific use cases of blockchain in logistics. Inventory tracking. Blockchain can be used to track inventory in real time, providing end-to-end visibility of the supply chain. This can help reduce the risk of fraud and improve the efficiency of logistics operations. Supply chain management. Blockchain can be used to manage the supply chain by providing a secure and tamper-proof way of storing and sharing data. This can help improve transparency, traceability, and efficiency in logistics operations. Freight and shipping. Blockchain can be used to improve freight and shipping by providing real-time tracking of shipments, reducing paperwork, and streamlining verification processes. Invoicing and payments. Blockchain can be used to automate invoicing and payments, reducing the need for intermediaries and improving the speed and security of transactions. Authenticity verification. Blockchain can be used to verify the authenticity of products, reducing the risk of counterfeiting and improving the quality and safety of products. Food traceability. Blockchain can be used to track the journey of food products from farm to table, providing end-to-end visibility and improving food safety. Ethical sourcing. Blockchain can be used to ensure that products are ethically sourced, such as diamonds or seafood, by providing end-to-end traceability and transparency. How does blockchain help in maintaining ethical standards in logistics? Blockchain technology can help maintain ethical standards in logistics by providing transparency, traceability, and accountability throughout the supply chain. Here are some ways in which blockchain can help maintain ethical standards in logistics. Ethical sourcing. Blockchain can be used to ensure that products are ethically sourced by providing end-to-end traceability and transparency. For example, blockchain can be used to track the journey of food products from farm to table, ensuring that they are produced in an ethical and sustainable manner. Supply chain management. Blockchain can be used to manage the supply chain by providing a secure and tamper-proof way of storing and sharing data. This can help improve transparency, traceability, and efficiency in logistics operations, ensuring that ethical standards are maintained throughout the supply chain. Authenticity verification. Blockchain can be used to verify the authenticity of products, reducing the risk of counterfeiting and improving the quality and safety of products. This can help maintain ethical standards in logistics by ensuring that consumers receive genuine and safe products. Smart contracts. Blockchain-based smart contracts can be used to automate ethical standards and ensure that they are enforced throughout the supply chain. For example, smart contracts can be used to ensure that suppliers meet certain ethical standards before they are allowed to participate in the supply chain. Transparency and accountability. Blockchain can provide transparency and accountability throughout the supply chain, making it easier to identify and address ethical issues. For example, blockchain can be used to track the origin of products and ensure that they are produced in an ethical and sustainable manner. How does blockchain help in tracking the origin of goods in logistics? Blockchain technology can help in tracking the origin of goods in logistics by providing end-to-end visibility and traceability of products. Here are some ways in which blockchain can help in tracking the origin of goods in logistics. Track and trace. Blockchain can be used to track and trace products throughout the supply chain, providing a complete history of the product's journey from the manufacturer to the end customer. This can help improve transparency and reduce the risk of fraud and counterfeiting. Provenance. Blockchain can be used to track the provenance of goods, providing information about the origin of the product, its ownership, location, and other important information as it moves along the supply chain. This can help ensure that products are ethically sourced and produced in a sustainable manner. Real-time tracking. Blockchain can be used to provide real-time tracking of products, enabling logistics companies to monitor the movement of goods and respond quickly to any issues that arise. This can help improve the efficiency of logistics operations and reduce the risk of delays. Smart contracts. Blockchain-based smart contracts can be used to automate the tracking of goods and ensure that they are delivered to the right location at the right time. For example, smart contracts can be used to trigger payments when goods are delivered, reducing the need for intermediaries and improving the speed and security of transactions. Data sharing. Blockchain can be used to share data between different parties in the supply chain, enabling them to collaborate more effectively and improve the efficiency of logistics operations. For example, blockchain can be used to share data about inventory levels, production updates, and delivery schedules, enabling logistics companies to optimize their operations and reduce costs. Who are the major tech players in implementing blockchain in logistics? There are several major tech players that are implementing blockchain in logistics. Here are some of the top companies that are using blockchain to improve supply chain management. Walmart. Walmart has been actively exploring blockchain technology for supply chain management. The retail giant's pilot projects with IBM's Hyperledger Fabric aim to enhance transparency, traceability, and efficiency in the food supply chain. Maersk. Shipping giant Maersk partnered with IBM to create TradeLens, a blockchain-based platform for global supply chain management. TradeLens intends to increase transparency, efficiency, and security in international trade. FedEx. FedEx is using blockchain technology and smart contracts to track and store records for strategic planning and analysis. The company also takes the initiative to create a standardized ledger for manufacturers and transport companies, which the government should oversee. UPS. UPS has joined the Blockchain in Trucking Alliance, BETA, in order to bring increased transparency in the supply chain among all organizations. In March 2019, it was announced that UPS and e-commerce technology company Inception collectively rolled out a blockchain-powered platform to enhance merchant supply chains. IBM has developed the IBM Food Trust, a blockchain-based platform that enables food companies to trace products from farm to table. The platform is designed to improve food safety, reduce waste, and enhance transparency in the food supply chain. Accenture has developed a blockchain-based platform called the Circular Supply Chain that enables companies to track the journey of products from raw materials to finished goods. The platform is designed to improve sustainability and reduce waste in the supply chain. Amazon is exploring the use of blockchain technology to improve supply chain management and reduce costs. The company has filed several patents related to blockchain technology, including a patent for a blockchain-based system for supply chain tracking. What are the technologies involved in using blockchain in logistics? Blockchain technology involves several technologies that work together to provide a secure and efficient way of managing supply chain operations. Here are some of the technologies involved in using blockchain in logistics. Distributed Ledger Technology, DLT. DLT is the underlying technology behind blockchain. It is a decentralized database that records transactions in a secure and tamper-proof way. DLT enables multiple parties to access and share data in real time, providing end-to-end visibility and traceability of products. Smart contracts. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts that automatically enforce the terms of an agreement. They are used to automate processes and reduce the need for intermediaries, improving the speed and security of transactions. Internet of Things, IoT. IoT devices can be used to collect and share data about products and shipments in real time. This data can be stored on the blockchain, providing end-to-end visibility and traceability of products. Artificial intelligence, AI. AI can be used to analyze data collected from IoT devices and other sources to identify patterns and optimize logistics operations. For example, AI can be used to predict demand and optimize inventory levels, reducing waste and improving efficiency. Cloud computing. Cloud computing can be used to store and process large amounts of data collected from IoT devices and other sources. This data can be stored on the blockchain, providing end-to-end visibility and traceability of products. Thanks for watching the channel. Please subscribe and notify.